Good morning, class 1. Today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter 8. Chapter 8 is storage devices. Now, beta, in this chapter we will learn about the different storage devices. Okay, all of you open the page number 55. See, children, in the previous chapter you have learnt about the main parts of computer and their uses. In previous chapter we have learnt about the main parts of the computer and their uses. But a computer does not work on its own. Computer cannot work its own. You need to provide data, that is letters, numbers or symbols, for it to work on. Okay. Now let us learn how to input data in a computer. Suppose you are filling your school diary. When you fill your school diary, now what you fill the details. Now name. Okay, Rohan Bajaj, age 6 years. Mother's name Ritika Bajaj. Father's name Siddharth Bajaj. Address is this. Okay. Whatever you have written in letters, words, and numbers is called data. Now, beta, these numbers, words, and letters are data in a computer. Now, data can be words, numbers, pictures, or sound. Okay, data can be numbers, words, pictures, and sound. Okay. Now, next one is memory. This was about data. Now we will study about memory. As you know, when we memorize facts, we actually store them in our brain. Now, whatever we know, we store everything in our brain. In the same way, a computer remembers and stores a lot of data in its memory. Now, computer remembers and stores data in memory. It never forgets the data stored in it. Whatever you store in computer, a computer never forgets. Okay, see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Rohan. This is a data. This data can further be stored in the storage devices. Now we store these data in a storage devices. Okay. Now come to next page, page number 56. See that what is a storage device. Now we will study about storage device. We use many items to store things in our homes. Like an almirah is used to store books, clothes and toys. So it is a storage place. Okay. We use almirah to store our clothes, toys and books. So it is a storage place. Your school bag is a storage place for keeping your books and notebooks. Now we keep our books and notebooks in a school bag. Okay. See that almirah, bank, bag, refrigerator. These are the storage places that we use in our home. Okay, we store clothes in almirah. Keep our money in our bank. We keep our notebooks and notebooks in our school bag. We keep fruits and vegetables in refrigerator. Okay. Similarly, you can store the data of a computer in CD, DVDs, pen drives, and data cards. Now, in computer, we keep all these data in a CD, DVD, pen drive, or data cards. You can store letters, stories, songs, movies, etc. Now we can store letters, stories, song, and movie in these storage devices, etc. In this them, okay, in them. This data can be used whenever needed. Now, whenever we need any data, we can carry these storage devices and we can store data in these storage devices. Okay, now last one is that recall. Data can be letters, numbers, sounds, pictures, etc. Now data can be any of these. Now next one, a computer can store a lot of data in its memory. Now computer store lot of data in its memory. Data can be stored in storage devices also. We can store data in storage devices also. CD, DVDs, pen drives and data cards are the examples of storage devices. Now these are the examples of storage devices. CD, DVD, pen drive and data card. Now as we have finished our chapter, now we will move forward to exercise. See page number 57. Answer the following question. Question number A. Question number 1 is what is data? Now numbers and letters are called data. Okay. See next one beta, question number 2. Where do we store fruits and vegetables in our house? Now answer is we store fruits and vegetables in refrigerator in our house. Okay. Now we store fruits and vegetables in refrigerator or fridge. See next one question number 3. Where does where do we store our books and notebooks? Now beta we store our books and notebooks in school bag. Okay. See next question. Question number 4. Where does a computer store its data? A computer stores its data in CDs, DVDs, pen drives and data cards. Now these are the question answers. Now see next one beta, fill in the blanks using the given words. Now words are given here and you have to fill in the blanks. Okay. Now see number 1. Storage places are used to store data. Now in number 1 write down store. See next one beta, data card is a storage device. Now in this number 2 write down data card. See next one beta, computer dash forgets the data stored in it. Computer never forgets the data stored in it. See last one beta, numbers and letters are called data. So these two are called data. Now then come to next page, page number 58. See that match the following. Matching is there. See number 1, school bag. We keep books in our school bag. So match school bag with books. See next one, refrigerator. Now number 2 is refrigerator. Match it with fruits. So we keep fruits in refrigerator. See next one beta, number 3. Number 3 is almirah. So we keep clothes in our almirah. So match number 3 with clothes. See next one beta, number 4. Number 4 is piggy bank. We keep money in piggy bank. So match number 4 with money. Number 5 is computer. We keep data in a computer. So match number 5 with data. So match number 1 with D, number 2 with E, number 3 with B, number 4 with A, number 5 with C. Now beta, in our third UT we have only 3 chapters, chapter 2, 4 and 8. All of you revise well and learn well these chapters for your exam. And do this exercise and question answers in your copy. Thank you.